Are you excited?
Super excited po.
Di ba kulang ang pagsuyong na kulang?
Ito yung isang makakasama mo. Young artist, please come in. AM Pinson! Hi, AM!
Tawang katuparan dito sa aking daigdig.
Hindi ko po talaga in-expect na siya po yung kasama ko kasi parang high range po yung boses niya. Ako po parang hindi naman po ganang mataas yung boses ko.
Young artist, please come in. Hana Hakami! Come in, Hana!
There's no price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty?
The reason for the song we chose is that lahat ng stars in the making, kailangan itong naalala lagi. Focus by Ariana!
I know what I came to do, and that ain't gonna change. Where ain't nobody keep on holding us down.
Nagustuhan ko din si AM dahil natamaan niyang mga tama na tono dahil mataas ang boses niya.
I know you're hoping that I react. I know you're hoping I'm looking
That's
back.
okay. Pag di mo abot, tama yun.
Mahirap yung mga matataas na part.
You know what Hannah did dito sa I know you're hoping I'll react, I know you're hoping I'm looking back. Can you do that again, sweetheart?
I know you're hoping that I react.
Then you know why? Kasi pag di mo abot, that's the right thing to do. Huwag mong pilitin, huwag mong sirain yung boses mo.
My real ain't real enough. I'm sorry for your pain.
Si AM kanina na-notice ko may timing siya sa unang verse niya na gusto ko i-improve pa niya.
'Cause I'm about to put them all away. Yeah.
Careful with the notes. Careful with the notes. That high note, anak. That high note. You have only one chance later to do that. Sorry, pressure, pero that's for you.
Ibigay na yung focus nyo dahil sigurado ako after this, yung mga attention namin nakafocus lang sa inyong performance. Okay? Good luck! And bring